Hello everybody, welcome to the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith's channel. We are going to make sweet potato bombs. How good does that sound?
Sounds delicious.
We love sweet potatoes, sweet potato casserole, so this is kind of a combination. First off, I have 2 cups of sweet potatoes that I have boiled and chopped. Chopped and boiled, how's that? And we're going to mix those up a little bit. Make like a mashed potato. And if there's chunks, I love the chunks.
Me too.
So I'm not going to beat them too much. Okay. So then to that, we're going to put a tablespoon of cinnamon or however much you want. If you don't want a tablespoon, do not put a tablespoon. Okay. And then we're going to put 4 tablespoons of brown sugar that I made last night. I said I won't buy it anymore. I'm going to make my own forever. So if you missed that video, I have one that you can watch how to make brown sugar. If you find yourself without any, you're like, oh, I need some. And then we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of softened butter. Yeah, it's softened. We're going to mix that up a little bit, though, to get that all together. We're going to put a little bit of salt in here. And a little bit of pepper. Your choice, guys. I'm not measuring. You just do you. Okay. We'll mix that all up. Nothing like sweet potatoes and cinnamon.
Yummy.
All right. Done with the mixer. So we are going to roll these. We're going to make a ball. And we're going to put marshmallows in. Okay, now we've got brown sugar here. I've got about 2 tablespoons. We may need more. Who knows? And about a cup of chopped pecans, finely chopped. And cinnamon again. So however much cinnamon you want. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit in there. And put the nuts in there. And then we're going to mix this all up. So brown sugar, pecans, and some cinnamon.
Well, that's got to be good.
Yeah. Plus adding marshmallows. Yes. All right. So we're going to take however big a bomb you want. Okay. Some marshmallows. And put them right inside there. If you want to use one big marshmallow, you can do that. I wanted to use small ones. And then we're going to close that up.
Kind of messy, isn't it?
It's sticky. Yes, it is. And then we're going to put this mixture on the outside of it.
So it's basically the same thing as a casserole, except you're doing it in bombs.
Yeah, we're doing bombs.
Okay.
That is awesome. And then we're going to put it in a 350-degree oven for about 20 or 30 minutes. We'll see. Okay. I'll let you know.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah. Billy had fried up some chicken wings the other day. So I'm going to have some chicken wings and sweet potato bombs because they're the bomb. So this is easy to do, guys. It's just messy.
I can see that.
We're just going to put some of that right on top of that. Roll around a little bit.
Those are pretty good size now. Would you normally make them that big?
However big you want. Doesn't matter. I don't want real tiny ones. You can't get no marshmallows in them. You can
That's
make
true.
Them too small. I want marshmallows in them.
Oh, yeah. That's what makes it good. That marshmallow cream oozing out.
Yeah. Be the bomb.
That'll be a little more like a dessert.
Yeah. All right. This one's a little smaller. Okay. So I'll get these on and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, I've made 6 of them. Nice size sweet potato bombs. Rolled in pecans, brown sugar, and cinnamon. So we're going in the 350-degree oven for 20 to 30 minutes. I'll let you know how long it takes in my oven. All right, guys. Sweet potato bombs out of the oven, 350 degrees, 25 minutes. And I'm going to let them cool just a little bit, get my chicken wings together, and we'll be right back for a taste test. All right, guys, it's cooled down a little bit. I'm going to give it a taste. Smells so good up in here, though. See if I can get some marshmallow in the center there. See it smoking.
Mm-hmm. That's got to still be hot.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That is so good. Sweet potato bombs. Oh, yummy, guys. I can probably eat a couple of these right now because I'm having me a couple chicken wings I heated up that Billy fixed. And with some sweet potato bomb right here. The only thing I think, you know, for my preference, it could have had a little bit of more brown sugar. So whatever you choose to put in it.
In it, you mean?
In it.
Yeah.
A little bit more brown sugar in it. I put 4 tablespoons. I'd probably put a couple more tablespoons next time I make them. But they are delicious. I will be making those again. So guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out. Sweet potato bombs.